So as we've often said, in terms of relationship education and curricula that are available in this field, there are more studies by more researchers on more continents on PrEP than anything that's ever existed in this field. Doesn't mean every study shows a magical outcome, doesn't mean you always get all the effects that you want, but we take seriously, and a lot of our colleagues in the field, both in the US and around the world, take seriously evaluating the efforts and evaluating what they're doing with relationship education. So there's a lot of nice findings in the history of studies on PrEP about helping people maintain relationship satisfaction, boosting communication quality and communication skills. A number of studies show evidence of divorce reduction or increases in stability of relationships. And I also just want to comment, there's a number of studies related to PrEP that show really promising findings for reductions in intimate partner violence for the participants over time. That's both in studies of couple-based versions of PrEP and individual-based versions of PrEP, where you can track people's ratings over time of the likelihood of having aggression in their relationship and show reductions in that over time related to having one of the PrEP curricula experiences. That's a really exciting finding because, of course, we're all concerned about intimate partner violence, and it's an outcome of great interest to the government. And even the CDC in a recent report mentioned PrEP as a promising practice for helping people to reduce their likelihood of having that in their relationship. So there's a number of reasons why we're excited about PrEP and a number of findings in the studies over the years that give us real encouragement to help people reduce some really negative behavior and reduce the odds of divorce and increase their chances of marital satisfaction and relationship happiness over time.